Hey, hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn how we can create a free tier account. Okay, so first thing which you need to do, you need to go to Google, and then in Google you need to type create a free tier account in Azure. Once you do that, it is very straightforward process. You will find the first link which is referring this one, and it is basically azure.microsoft.com/en-in/free. If I click this, you will get this kind of a screen where you can create your free tier account. Okay, what you will get 12 months services for 12 months for free popular services. You will get 14,500 free credit for exploring Azure for 30 days for any service, and there are 25 plus services which are free. Okay, what you can do lot. You can get 25 GB of storage free with Cosmos DB. You can get load balancer, you can get service bus, you can get a VPN gateway, number of things. 750 hours you will get for Linux virtual machine, Windows virtual machine, file storage. All such things are available. Okay, so you can check the complete list here. Then these are always free products, so you can also get that one. You just need to click on start free. Then you need to give your email address. Then you need to give your specify email address. But because you are doing it first time, so you should have one working email account, right? If you have that one, you just need to click on create one. Give your email address. Next, you need to create a password. So you can create a password here. Then you need to verify that password. So Microsoft should send you one email. So I just log in into my account, and if I see here, I can verify my email address by typing this code 4558. So I just do that. And I will go to the next screen. Okay, so then please solve the puzzle. So we know that you are not a robot. So we need to click on next. So tap on arrows to rotate this image. So this, when the image is on the correct way to touch, done. Okay, so done. Good. So now they know that we are not a remote. And now what else? Next. So here your account got created on the right side, you can see, and now you can share all your details. Okay, let me just put like cloud learning and my phone number. Okay, I am basically in India, so my country already set India. You can call me on this number anytime if you are looking for trainings. Okay, then organization PAN ID is optional, so I leave it. Organization, what I say, let's see. And I agree to the subscription, and you click on next. So it is asking as organization cloud learning. However, I am just a free person, it is optional. So what's the challenge there? Identity verification. Okay, I click on this. Okay, so they need the identity verification. So for this, I say text me for verify me. So I should got a call or an SMS basically. So I got this, and I'll put 108467 verify code. And now I am good for the next step. Okay, So here, because I am an individual, okay, it's okay. So this is sign up, and now I need to provide my card information. So this is something confidential, so let me just pull up, but you need to provide the card information every time if you do. Okay, so this is like how it is working. All the card information you need to go. So let me just stop, and I will forward to the next screen, and I will come back. Let me just fill this information. Okay, so guys, I received on the next screen. Once I filled my card details, I just click on next screen. So I choose the options on next. So I got this option and I click on next. Okay, and there will be some deduction maybe happen for this. So I click on sign up. I was set up with the sign up experience. Yes, it is. So how much satisfied you are? Yes, I am satisfied with this. It was smooth experience till now for me. Good smooth process for sign up. Thanks. Submit. So guys, so I got that message to try again. Something went wrong your account. When I click on try again, I was able to log in into this account. Okay, so I got this page and I able to log in into this account. Okay, and now you can see that I have got some balance where I can see this. This is, I just seen this one. Wait, I got remove. So I have basically the credit balance, and yes, so if you see the notification right now, I got 14,500 credit remaining. It is available for 1 month. Okay, and I can use these services, right? At least I can explore all the services with my this remaining fund. Okay, and here you can go, like you can create virtual machine, app service, storage account, SQL database, whatever you want to do, you can do that. So I hope you found this video useful, and now you know how you can create your Azure account very easily. Okay, so I'm leaving that for you now, and we will continue this. We will see the next videos, like with the next services what we are going to learn. Okay, if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments or in the Q&A section, and I will be happy to answer that. Thank you. Bye bye.